Here's the funny thing. They want to come around with their little "Make America Think Again," blah blah blah, right? Where's this guy going? Yeah, it's a red light. Yeah, it's a red light. Come back, come back. Okay, Presto. Confused.
For mom, and so I recommend.
Okay, Presto.
What the? Yo, people just do the most boldest things, man. I swear. This looks you. Oh my god. Okay, Presto. You cannot make a left from a right lane. Okay, Presto. Looks like an accident.
Okay, Presto.
Okay, Presto. You didn't use no other words, so you're not putting words in your mouth. You're not taking words. What the fuck is this guy? That's the way you merge into a lane. What was that?
Performance reviews.
From my perspective, it's a win.
It's going to improve accountability.
Wow. Okay.
Even with an anxiety diagnosis as a mom or a dad, unless I get some very clear guidance from a therapist that says your kid's got some.